Today is Wednesday, May 11th, 2016. My name is Aretha James. I go by AJ. I just wanted to do a quick video blog post today. If you are following my blog or keep up to date with my lawsuit against the Vanguard Group, many of you know that I am a whistleblower. I reported the firm to various government agencies for various illegal activity. Primarily systemic discrimination and retaliation is how it started. The retaliation did not stop after I left Vanguard and rose to a level of criminal acts that made me aware that Vanguard was involved in organized crime and in a racketeering enterprise. I found out that Vanguard operates through government officials at the highest ranking levels that use their roles in a form of abuse, basically for retaliatory purposes. The enterprise basically is involved with fraud of what I call epic proportions. The entire purpose of the enterprise, of course, is fraud. It's to secure an unlawful gain. They are involved in a host of crimes. There's extortion, bribery, blackmail, there's benefits fraud, mail fraud, wire fraud. I could keep going. What I want to bring to your attention today, though, is this protection racket, protection racket, government protection racket. This primary person that has been retaliated against me is a prosecutor, a DEA, and there's been consistent attempt to fabricate this story of drug abuse. I still have not seen the documents that was presented to the EEOC, and I do believe in those documents I may find that Vanguard actually made false allegations of drug abuse. The primary way that this racket operates is that allegations are brought against you and you are not aware of them, therefore you're not able to defend yourself. But from the evidence being fabricated and through persons and various incidents, it's been clear to me that that's one of the allegations that is being brought against me. I blogged today to make you aware that it actually has risen to a level of where I cannot get safe medications through Walgreens pharmacy. It was actually presented with counterfeit medications. I do not know what the medication actually is. It's a counterfeit. Its form has not been altered, but the medication is something else. And I have reported it to the FBI, and I also reported it to the FDA. I am at the stage where I need to respond to Vanguard, a court case, and typically whenever I need to provide a response to Vanguard, this was the same with the EEOC. A host of different allegations are brought against me, and the court is used for fraud. And so I believe that manufactured and fabricated evidence of drug use is one of the charges that they will attempt to bring. But just wanted to put this blog out there that I have made a report to the FDA, have the medications within my possession, and hope to get them tested. The next is that my ex-husband is preparing to bring another fraudulent case before the court, and the purpose of these cases are to silence my whistleblowing, be somewhat of a smear campaign, to be a distraction from the allegations that I'm bringing against Vanguard, and really for Vanguard to use the court for fraudulent purposes to obtain information that they already have, but to make it appear as if they have obtained this information legally. Some experiences with fraud through the court for me has been altering my family case number. Family case numbers do not change. I attempted to contact the court to find out why I have two numbers assigned, have not been given a legitimate reason. I was presented with a court documents from my ex-husband saying that the arrangement for custody has been changed from every weekend to every other weekend. No such hearing took place. When I questioned him as to where he got the paperwork from, he said he got it from an attorney. I know he doesn't have the capabilities to fabricate false documents. The other is the ruling that I placed up on my Facebook page from the judge in our family court case. Basically, the ruling does not match at all, and family will tell you, and the recording will tell you, that that ruling and a recount of incidents within that ruling does not match what actually took place within the court. I did make a report to the supervisory board for the court for them to review the recordings and to have that ruling changed. But wanted to bring a quick video update. Don't have a lot of time to sometimes write on the blog, but wanted to bring these situations to your attention even before they happen.